So they want to say all pit bulls are bad and everything else. Well, that's my boy running right there. And that's a dog Argentino next to him, and it looks like a Siberian Husky or a Malamute. This is a dog park, and they're having fun. Who says that they can't all have fun? Three breeds of dogs that they always talk bad about. Dog Argentina, a pit, and a husky. And look what just walked on. Oh, look, see, in a pool. Now there is no way you can say that the dogs are bad. That's in. Look, all of them just. Hey, no mixing breeds there. We can't. I don't want to see what that would look like. Hudson. Have enough mixed breed dogs I can't explain to the world. I don't want to see what that would be.